for today's video, we're gonna learn about decimals. So what are decimals? Decimals are one of the types of numbers which has a whole number and the fractional part separated by a decimal point. From the description below, let's have an example. So let's say we have 1,234.123. So this example is a decimal, a whole number, and the fractional part or the decimal part. Then, as you notice, it is separated by a decimal point. Now, let's identify the place value of the whole number and the decimal part. So, for the whole number, it is easier. So, this is ones, this part is tens, and the place value of this is hundreds, and then thousands. Now, for the decimal part, there's also an equivalent place value for this. So the first number after the decimal point is called the tenths, which means 1/10. Then the second number has a place value of hundreds, which means 1/100. And this one is called thousands, which is equivalent to 1/1000. Now, it doesn't end here. It still goes beyond the thousands place value as well as the whole number place values. Now, let's identify if the following examples are decimal or not decimal. Let's have several examples. So, number 1, I'll just list down all the examples, then let's identify which of the following are decimals and which are not. Alright, so let's identify if this is decimal or not. So 25.11 decimal, 21.003 is decimal, 1/2 is fraction, 0.124 is decimal, 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 fraction, fraction, and decimal. And that's it for today. I hope you learned